Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify wash sale rules for crypto and CoinTracker step by step clearly. Log in to your CoinTracker account. Navigate to the Portfolio tab on the main dashboard. Select the Tax Loss Harvesting option from the drop-down menu. In the Tax Loss Harvesting section, you'll find the Wash Sale Report link. Click on the Wash Sale Report link to access the details. Review the summary of trades that may be affected by wash sale rules. Identify any transactions highlighted as wash sales in the report. Take note of the dates and amounts of these trades. Cross-reference these dates with your trading history for accuracy. If any discrepancies are found, adjust your transaction records as needed. Return to the Portfolio tab to view your complete transaction history. Locate the specific trades mentioned in the wash sale report. Ensure all data, including purchase and sale prices, is correctly entered. If necessary, edit the trades within CoinTracker for correct reporting. Once all information is verified, return to the wash sale report to confirm updates. Check for any new entries in the wash sale section after edits. Review the updated report for any additional wash sales. Generate a summary report if needed for your tax records. Ensure you understand the implications of the wash sale rules on your crypto investments. Consult with a tax professional if you have questions about your specific situation. You are now ready to move forward with your tax reporting using accurate data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.